Hi guys, I'm Pam and V is behind the camera today.
Hey guys.
And we are the Kindred Vegans. Today we are going to make a spread that you can use for sandwiches. I like this. I have this at my house when my kids want to make sandwiches and stuff. They always need something to put in there. And sometimes, you know, something more than a mayo helps. You know, sometimes we use hummus, but sometimes this kind of herb spread works really well. So I am going to show you how I make mine. First, I'm going to start with a block of tofu. And this is silken tofu. If I can get it in here without making a mess. So I have a block of silken tofu. I have the juice of half a lemon. So let me go ahead and juice that up real quick. Put my hand up and it just squirted the other way. Let me turn it over.
Now you think vinegar or something could work in place of lemon, or do you think?
Absolutely. I think it would. If I was using vinegar, and I often do use vinegar, I probably would just use like a half to 1 teaspoon of vinegar.
Okay.
Instead of lemon juice.
Okay.
But you could use lime juice or something too. I have 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Okay. I'm going to add just to give it a little bit of a nutty flavor. I have a teaspoon of garlic powder. I have a half a teaspoon of onion powder. I have a half a teaspoon of ground mustard seed. And then I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper, and then we'll add our fresh herbs to this.
Now, do you think this would freeze well?
I think it would, yeah.
It would, right?
Tofu usually freezes real well. So you could freeze this, although, I mean, you're not going to have enough left over to freeze.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. But sometimes, you know, you make it and you see that it's not being consumed, especially like holiday time, you're out and about. And I mean, it happened to me once. It actually went bad. That's why I'm asking you. We can freeze it, right?
Yes, you can freeze it.
All right.
I'm going to add just a half a teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon, maybe a little bit less than a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And now for fresh herbs today, and I would suggest you get whatever looks good, because you could use any herbs in this.
Yeah.
But I have some basil here, and I'm just going to take off the woody stems and put everything else in. I've got some chives. Oh, that basil smells so good.
I love chives.
You start to break the herbs and you can really start to smell what it smells like. And then I have oregano here. And I think I'm going to use all the oregano except for these woody ends, because these can be kind of rough down here. So I'm just going to take off the woody stems, and I'm going to use all of this. Hold on, there's a couple of leaves trying to run away. Get back in there. And I am just going to put this all in the NutriBullet and blend this up.
Smells so good
I
now.
know.
All the herbs.
Here, let's. Okay. And it just turns such a fabulous color when you blend it up from all those fresh herbs. Let me get it off of here.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. I wish there was smell-o-vision.
It smells really good.
Yeah, it does. See? And that color is perfect.
Yeah.
That color is really gorgeous.
And you could use this, you could even use this, I think, now that I'm thinking about it, cook up some pasta and some veggies and put this on top. Yeah. That would make a great sauce.
It would make a good salad dressing too.
Yeah. It's just got a very herbed flavor. It smells really good with the lemon juice. You can smell that in there. Yeah. And with because there's tofu in here, it will add staying power. So if you are having a salad, having tofu on top or in your dressing will keep you fuller longer.
Yeah.
Help that. All right, guys. We are going to, let me put this into a bowl. And I'm not sure what we're going to do with it, but we're going to try it out on something.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll make up some pasta. But this is a good one to have as meal prep.
Yeah.
You know, to have in your refrigerator.
This is something, that's
for nights when you don't have anything, you know, planned, or you're stretched for time. You can always pull this out, cook up some quick pasta and veggies, and then you have a meal. It almost acts as a pesto. You know, if you added more basil, it would be like a pesto. But So let us know down below what you do with this, or if you try different herbs, because I think that different herbs would work well with this. So if you decide to pick up something different, some thyme and some marjoram or something, or some rosemary would be really good. That would give it a really fragrant, nice flavor and smell. Let us know what you did and how you used it. This is one of our 25 days of Christmas, so we're really enjoying getting together every day and making different meals, and of course we get to taste what all we're making, so that's an added bonus. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and hit that little notification bell. That'll let you know every time we upload a new video. And like this video, follow us on Instagram, where you see everything we eat every day. We're K-Vegans on Instagram. Go to Facebook, where we have discussions and post articles about vegan living and vegan foods and what's going on in the news. And join in the discussion and be a Kindred Vegan. And we will see you all tomorrow with 25 days of Christmas. Bye, everybody.
Bye, guys.